follow-up video after changing that little vacuum pump valve, which appears to be blocked now. I've just reinstalled the I've put the new part in, reinstalled the battery. The job took me around 40 minutes altogether. I think the popping sound has gone compared to the old video. So far so good. After removing the battery, which is another question I was looking for, the clock has reset. It threw a message saying steering lock with a steering yellow warning sign on. However, I don't know what to think of it. It's just went away. Radio's working. Sat nav, all okay. I'm not. Yeah. Bluetooth connectivity. All the electrics seem to be working now, and the headlights as well. So yeah, there you go. If your D5 is popping about, that's a 50 quid fix for what seemed to be quite a really annoying noise, which could be very concerning to some people. Thankfully I've done my research, thanks to you, and thanks to the internet. It's all up and running. Good luck. Thanks.